Lifing with Cheryl, and it's a new channel. And the reason why I made this channel is because I wanted to share my success from my other channel, which is a travel channel, but it's a faceless travel channel. So now I'm showing my face to you guys. I know I feel. I'm coming from a hotel. I spent a night at a hotel and did a review. I might share it with you. I'm not sure. What do you think? Anyways, this video is about introducing myself to you. I'm 64 years old, just turned 64 in January 13th to be exact. And I'm outside in my car because I decided, and I have a truck just passing, sorry for the noise. I wanted to do the video before I got home because I don't want to go home and then start doing stuff and forget about it. So I wanted to do the first video so I can upload it and start making videos for you guys. If you're a subscriber here, thank you for subscribing, because I think I have 9 subscribers already, even though I don't have one video. But I've been very successful with my Faceless travel channel, and I want to share my success with you and to let you know that no matter what age you are, you can start a YouTube channel. YouTube has changed my life. I went to the hotel, booked a night there, and if it wasn't for YouTube, I probably wouldn't be able to do it because I'm on pension. I have a pension income, and YouTube has been such a blessing to me. Right now I am just earning from AdSense. I have some members on my other YouTube channel. Sometimes I get what they call it, gifts, what you would call gifts on TikTok. They have another name for it. I can't remember right now, but that's what I make money from. I do have some ebooks that I created because originally, well, I'm still a writer. I'm a freelance writer, but that's what I used to make money with online. So I'm a freelance writer, been a freelance writer for almost 20 years, I believe, or more. But once the AI came in, artificial intelligence, the writing jobs started to go to the AI. So I was competing with the AI. So I said, well, why not take advantage of it? So now I'm using the AI to make my Faceless travel videos. I do ask the AI for help with my script, but because I'm a writer, I know how to manipulate the script and make it personal, and so that it can be so that it can be turned into a video for my particular audience. Yeah, so AI has been helpful in that way. So a lot of people don't like it, but I like it. I like it a lot because it has helped me to make my videos on my channel, on the other channel, very successful. And so I wanted to share my tips, my tricks, my secrets, my hacks, everything that made me successful. I started my YouTube channel June 16th, 2024, and I became monetized 3 months later in September 2024. And since then, if I was to start let me be correct. If I were to start my YouTube channel now, it probably would only take me a month or less to get monetized, because I've learned a lot along the way, because I've watched other channels as well, because we have to support each other. And after I got monetized, I started to get, I think my first month I got $163 or so, something like that. And that kind of encouraged me, because you want to know that because I work hard. I upload 1 video every day. You don't have to do that. I'm not going to tell you to do that, but that's what I chose to do. And it can burn you out if you don't know how to. But I'm going to teach you. I promise you. I'm going to teach you how I did it, and how I think you too can be successful. Because the world is an oyster to me. Anyone in the world can be successful. You just have to have confidence. You have to have courage first. So get you some courage to start that channel. Get you some courage. C-O-U-R-A-G-E, courage. Get some courage to because the hardest thing is to start, because you find all kinds of excuses not to. And so I've been there, and I know. everything will come up where you don't want to, or you don't, or you can't, or you get busy or something. So get some courage where you will say, what the hell, what the heck, sorry, what the heck. I have to be very politically correct around there with my words. And then you just start it, and then as you go, you develop confidence. And if you have help, even help from somebody like me who has gone through all, because what I'm trying to do with this channel is to let you avoid some of the pitfalls or some of the mistakes that I made, if that makes sense. Yeah. And so that's why I started a channel, to help, pay it forward. And everything I'm going to give you is for free information. If along the way I see that there's a way I can make some money off the channel, because this is what I do for a living, in terms of giving away an ebook and expanding on the ebook to add more value to it, then I'll charge for the ebook. But I'm not going to charge you more than maybe $20, maybe $20, $30. I'm going to be honest. Yeah. And I will do shout outs for you for a fee for your channel, just to, you know, let other people go and subscribe to your channel. I will do channel reviews as well, but most of the information will be free. Yeah, definitely. Because I've learned a lot from a lot of channels that give information away for free. Later on, I may start a Patreon membership or whatever. I haven't done that yet with my other channel, but I do have a membership on YouTube platform. And I do have some members there that I provide exclusive information to. Yeah. So I'm going to teach you all of that. Just stick with me. And together, I don't know if I'll be putting up one video every day on this new channel, this here channel, because it's a lot of work to edit. And that's why I'm doing, well, most of my videos with you are going to be unedited. Most of them. Unfiltered, unedited. I'm just going to give you the authentic me. And you're so fortunate, because my Faceless channel, some of the members want to see my face. And so I'm going to invite them over here. Yeah, come over here. Come over Lifing with Cheryl if you want to see Cheryl's face. Yeah, I'm just a regular person. I'm a mother of two boys, 2 adult boys, 30 and 35. One of them has a daughter. She's 8 years old, so I'm a grandma too. And I'm a wife. So I've been doing freelance work and work at homes. I've done a whole lot of things that are online, and I've been doing it for over 20 years or more. It could be more. I do have a degree in journalism, communications. Yeah, I do have a bachelor's degree. But a lot of people have bachelor's degree and they're not making the money I'm making on YouTube. So a degree is a degree. I'm glad I have it, but that isn't going to make you successful online. You have to know what you're doing. There are a lot of strategies, there are a lot of things, and there are many things that I don't even know yet. But as soon as I know, I'm gonna impart it to you. Yes. So I just wanted to introduce myself. I'm from Jamaica originally, but I've lived in America for 36 years, I believe. Yeah, 36 years, and I'm a U.S. citizen. I'm in Jamaica now because I have some obligations here. I have a niece who has a learning disability, so I have to be here some months out of the year, and then I go see my family. My husband is here with me as well. Yes, but I do enjoy Jamaica. This is where I am now. I've been here since February 10th, I believe I came back. Yeah, and I went to spend a month with my kids for my birthday. Yeah, in January. So that's all you're gonna get. The raw, unfiltered, unedited Cheryl. Authentic Cheryl. And if I can do it, you can do it too. Believe that. Believe, yes, you have to believe. Believe in yourself first, because if you don't believe in yourself, I can't believe in you, nobody else can. Believe, then get some courage. And then some confidence. Because you have to prepare mentally, for YouTube. Because it can wear you out. Only the strong survive. You have to be in this for the long haul, and you have to be serious about it. You don't take it just like a hobby. It's not going to work. It will not work if you take it as a hobby. You have to be serious. You have to look at it as a business. Yes. And I'm going to go through all of that with you in various different videos. I'm going to unleash on you. Are you ready? Are you ready? I laugh a lot. I'm sorry. It's good for the soul. So I'm going to head on out now because I'm going home. I'm tired because I did a video. Can you imagine I'm at the hotel? I'm even dressed in my bathing suit and cover up. I was supposed to go in the pool, and I'm there editing a video to upload so it can be released 8 o'clock tonight. But that video is time sensitive because not really. Yeah, it's time sensitive because it's about the Southwest Airlines new baggage fees, because they never used to charge for baggages. So if you want, you can go subscribe to my channel, True Travel Treasures. Let me spell it for you. TRUE, True Travel, TRAVEL, Treasures, TREASURES. So it's True Travel Treasures. Just search it up on YouTube and go subscribe so you can learn a lot, because there are a lot of changes in the airline industry, at the airports and everything. So I cover all of that. I give a lot of tips, tricks, secrets, and a whole lot of stuff. Destinations, a lot of stuff. So you will learn from that channel too, and you will see my progress. I have, let me see, I have 37,450 subscribers the last time I checked, which is about the last half an hour. Yes, 37,450 subscribers in less than a year, 8 months, in 8 months. That's a big deal. Yes. And so, and I have 400, I think it's about almost 450 videos uploaded. Yeah, I'm not playing. Don't mess with me. I'm not playing. So if you're gonna come, if you're gonna allow me to guide you, you have to be very serious. Very serious. Because I'm not telling you to be a workaholic or ignore your other obligations, but I'm telling you, carve out some time for you and your business so you can make money while you sleep. You know what a blessing that is? Making money while I sleep. I don't care if it's $100 a day, making money, or even $10. Because when I just started, I used to make $6 a day, $13 a day. I didn't let that discourage me. I pushed, and I pushed because I knew one day, and I had a video blow up, and that gave me a lot more confidence. And I started to compare, and I started to try to understand what was the difference between that video and other videos, and I'm still trying to figure it out. So come with me, come on this ride with me, on this journey with me, and let us together turn YouTube upside down. Are you ready? Let's go! All right, I'm gonna go now, so I'll talk to you soon. All right, take care.